Local news for Tuesday, the 26th of May. The $1.6 billion trades and apprenticeship training package announced in the government's May budget provides a real opportunity for UCOL to play an increasing role in training more people into skilled jobs in its regions. UCOL Chief of Operations, Dr. Linda Sissons, says this package potentially gives more people in our region the opportunity to train into jobs where there are skill shortages. One of New Zealand's most luxurious lodges, Whanakaha Country Estate, will reopen its doors on June 26 with a night's accommodation and a few extras, setting you back just $995. The ACT candidate for Wairarapa doesn't live in the province, let alone the country. Roger Greenslade is a teacher in Thailand. Greenslade is standing because he has two children in New Zealand and his long-term commitment is to the Wairarapa. And former Wellington Mayor City Wade Brown has won the nomination for the Green Party and will stand in the Wairarapa electorate. Kia ora for local news and future sport coming up after yesterday's announcement. I'm Brent Gare.